Hello guys and welcome back. So in this video I'll show you how to install the perfect Gcam for your Android device. I know a lot of people do face problem when installing Gcam for their device. This app is going to help you install the perfect Gcam for your Android device. Please hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and let's get to the video. Okay, so this app makes it easy to get or install Gcam on your Android device. And to do that, you need to have Camera2 API enabled on your device to make the app work perfect. But if yours is not enabled, I'll leave a link down in the description so you can watch how to enable the Camera2 API on your device. Now to download the app, all you need to do is you open your Play Store, then in the search bar you type Gcam. Then you select the first one you see on the list. Tap install to install the app to your device and wait for some seconds. After installation, open the app. In the first tab, the app will tell you whether your Camera2 API is enabled or disabled. If it's enabled, you see it in a green color. If it's disabled, you see it in a red color. Also, they have a link down there to show you how to enable Camera2 API on your device. So in the next tab, the app collects data from your phone to be able to find the perfect Gcam for your Android device. If this does not work for you, that means you have to download from the Gcam database. So the last tab is the Gcam database, where you can download Gcam for different devices that support and have Camera2 API. Just note you have to do a manual search if the app was not able to find the right Gcam for your device. That's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please like, leave a comment in the comment box, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.